Welcome. Let's take a look at a performance measurement project that was conducted in North Carolina. As part of this project, 14 cities across the state participated in collecting and reporting data in 9 service areas. Let's take a look at some of the data and how it's reported. For each service area, there is a summary report. This summary report is for residential refuse collection, otherwise known as trash collection. Across the top of this chart, the city names are listed, and on the side, there are different performance measures, or areas in which we are going to compare the cities, such as distance to landfill or frequency of collection. Let's take a look at full-time equivalent positions. This indicates the number of full-time city employees directly involved in providing the service. In Riley, there are 202 FTEs, while in Concord, there are 0. So what could account for this difference? If you look at the row below, percent of service contracted, you can see that Concord contracts out 100% of this service, while Riley only contracts 3% of this service. In addition to the summary report, there's also a more detailed report for each city that compares the city's performance to the average of all cities in the state. This report is for Concord. We can see here that Concord has a higher than average number of tons of refuse per 1,000 city residents, 377.5 compared to the average of 298.7. Concord's cost per ton collected, however, is average at $86. Though Concord has a higher than average number of complaints per 1,000 collection points, the number of complaints has been steadily declining over the 3 years shown here. There is also additional information reported about each city. The city profile contains details such as the climate that may be relevant to the service being provided. The full cost profile aggregates cost data into 3 general categories: personnel services, which include direct expenses of salaries, wages, and benefits; operating costs, such as direct operating expenses and indirect allocations to these; and capital costs, such as equipment and facilities. The service profile provides information about important dimensions of service delivery. Explanatory information provides a narrative about how the service is provided and identifies conditions that affect performance and cost data of service delivery. These slides represent an overview of how to read the report. Please see the full report for more information.